This section of the course consists of a series of practice modeling exercises that will take advantage of all the tools and techniques covered in the 2D sketching and 3D modeling sections. Each exercise is provided with a dimension technical drawing, so feel free to have a go at creating these models yourselves, but also I will be demonstrating a complete methodology to model each part, and if you have any questions, please send me a message and I will respond as soon as I can. Many of these parts can be 3D printed, and I've included some cool desktop 3D printed parts, including a smartphone and a Super Mario stationery holder. So you're welcome to print these if you like, and if you do so, please send me a photo. Also included are 2 practice 3D modeling exams. Now these are based on the exams that are associated with becoming a certified Fusion instructor and require you to utilize a range of sketch and modeling tools and techniques, and also the ability to read complex technical drawings. I feel that these exercises are a good summary to this course, and I hope that you enjoy them too. So let's begin.